నవ్య పొట్ట తగ్గాలనుకునేవారు వేపుడు పదార్థాలను తగ్గించాలి. శీతల పానీయాలు, స్వీట్లు, బ్రెడ్, పాస్తా, బిస్కెట్లు, నూనెలో వేయించిన పదార్థాలకు దూరంగా ఉండాలి. మెంతి పొడిని గోరువెచ్చని నీళ్లలో కలిపి ఉదయం పూట పరగడుపు తీసుకోవాలి. అలాగే మెంతులను రాత్రంతా నానబెట్టి ఆ నీటిని ఉదయం ఖాళీ కడుపుతో తాగితే పొట్ట చుట్టూ ఉండే కొవ్వు కరుగుతుంది. ఆయుర్వేద వైద్యుల సలహాతో త్రిఫల చూర్ణాన్ని ఆహారంలో చేర్చుకోండి. ఇది శరీరంలోని విష పదార్థాలను బయటకు పంపి జీర్ణ వ్యవస్థను ఆరోగ్యంగా మారుస్తుంది. భోజనానికి ముందు గ్లాసు గోరువెచ్చని నీటిలో చెంచా త్రిఫల చూర్ణాన్ని వేసి తాగితే చక్కటి ఫలితాలు కనిపిస్తాయి. ఇప్పుడు నవ్యాలో నయా ట్రెండ్స్ చూద్దాం.
Hi, this is from Nishi Mehra Design. This is our bridal collection. You can see the lehenga. It comes with a very heavy dupatta. This is all made from Kardana. This is all hand embroidery that we do it in Calcutta itself. See the back. This is also one of the pieces from the latest collection that we have. Comes with a ruffle skirt. There's a blouse and there's a drape that's attached. Looks like a sari. That's the ruffle. Again, can be done into any colors. You can wear it for your mehendi function, or the bride sister can wear it. Again, can be done into any colors. It's all hand embroidery that you see over here. Again, a very different pattern that we have. It comes with a all handwork mirror sash kind of a thing. Again, it's all hand embroidery that you see here. We can add sleeves to it and then you can customize the colors. You can wear it for your mehendi. It's a very different outfit. The blouse you see here is all thread embroidery with mix of the glass work. A very affordable lehenga that we have done. A skirt and a blouse. Comes with a ruffle on one side. Again, can be customized if you want sleeves to it. Or if you want to change color, we can do that as well. Does not come with a dupatta, but we can add a dupatta with it. You can see all handwork here, which has kardana, pearl work. That's the back. Does not have work because we have kept it budgeted. But if you want work to be added at the back, we can do that as well. It's a very modern lehenga that we have. If you want a gown out of it, we can do a gown also. This is a 3-piece set. Skirt, blouse, and that's a jacket. It's a cape style that you can see. All thread embroideries, and then we have the mirror work at the ends. It's a very different piece that we have again from the new collection. It's all handwork and can be customized into any colors. You see a sleeveless blouse, but if you want sleeves to it, we can add sleeves. It's all on order, it's all customizable. This is a sharara set that we have. These are sharara pants. This is a peplum top. Comes with a dupatta. As you can see, it's all hand embroidery, thread work with dori work. It's a very beautiful mint green color that you see. But again, can be customized into any color that you want. If you want to increase the length, that also can be done. It's all on order. That's the back. The dupatta is really beautiful. As you can see over here, very different embroidery that we have done. This is one of the best selling pieces that we have. It's a cape style blouse that has an attached inner inside. All hand embroidery, it's all kardana work as you can see. Comes with a layered ruffle dupatta with a skirt. That's the back, same embroidery at the back as well. It's a very beautiful red color, not the blood red, it's a very different red maroonish color that you can see. Again, can be customized into any color. It's a very good outfit for a young girl or for a, unmarried girls. If they want to see something like this, you should definitely go for this piece. This piece you see is a sari. Again, a very different piece. It's a pre-stitched sari, so you don't have to pleat the sari. It's all pre-pleated. as you can see, with a very heavy embroidery at the bottom. These are all pre-stitched. You just have to wear it as a skirt, put the blouse on and just put the drape across. A very, very beautiful green color that we have done, but can be customized into any color that you want. It's a very heavy embroidery that you see over here. Definitely can be worn for a wedding, for a mehendi. It's all Zardozi. And as you know, Calcutta specializes in hand embroidery and it's all beautifully done. So do visit us, or you can follow us on Instagram. It's called Nishi Mehra Official. Thank you so much, and I would like you all to just come and visit our stall here.